हेलो दोस्तों, दिस इज़ अभिषेक। आज हम इस वीडियो में टॉप 50 HTML इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चन और आंसर देखेंगे। ये क्वेश्चन बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है आपके इंटरव्यू प्रिपरेशन के लिए। अगर आप फ्रंट एंड डेवलपर के लिए जा रहे हो तो HTML बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक है, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट सब्जेक्ट है। तो इससे रिलेटेड सारे क्वेश्चन इसमें आपको मिल जाएंगे इस वीडियो में, जो कि इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन होंगे इंटरव्यू प्रिपरेशन के लिए। ये क्वेश्चन पूछे जाने के चांसेस सबसे ज़्यादा होते हैं, तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज HTML? Second question, what is the basic structure of an HTML document? Third question, what are HTML tags? Fourth question, what is the difference between HTML and XHTML? Fifth question, what are empty elements in HTML? Sixth question, what are heading tags in HTML? Seventh question, what is the purpose of the alt attribute in an image tag? Eighth question, what is the purpose of the href attribute in an anchor tag? Ninth question, what is the difference between div and span tags? 10th question, what is the purpose of the HTML doctype declaration? 11th question, what is the purpose of the meta tag in HTML? 12th question, what is the semantic HTML? 13th question, what are data attributes in HTML? 14th question, what is the difference between get and post method in HTML forms? 15th question, how can you create a hyperlink in HTML? 16th question, explain the use of the iframe tag. 17th question, what is the purpose of the table tag? 'What is the difference between strong and b tag? 19th question, what is the purpose of the form tag? 20th question. What is the purpose of the input tag? Then explain the concept of HTML entities. Then what is the purpose of the head section in an HTML document? Then 23rd question. How can you create an ordered list in HTML? Then 24th question. How can you create an unordered list in HTML? Twenty-fifth question. Explain the purpose of the label tag. 26th question. What is the purpose of the call span and row span attributes in a table? 27th question. Explain the concept of HTML5 semantic elements. 28th question. What is the purpose of the fig caption tag? 29th question. How can you create a drop down list in HTML? 30th question. What is the purpose of the text area tag? 31st question. How can you create a checkbox in HTML? 'Then how can you embed audio and video in HTML5? 'Then what is the purpose of the disabled attribute in an input element? 34th question. How can you create a radio button in HTML? 35th question. What is the purpose of the field set and legend tags? 36th question. What is the purpose of the required attribute in an input element? 37th question. What is the purpose of the placeholder attribute in an input element? 38th question. How can you create a hyperlink that opens in a new tab? 39th question. What is the purpose of the autocomplete attribute in an input element? 40th question. How can you create a button in HTML? 41st question. What is the purpose of the max and min attributes in an input element with type equals to number? 42nd question. How can you create a slider in HTML? Then how can you create a progress bar in HTML? Then how can you create a meter in HTML? 45th question. What is the purpose of the pattern attribute in an input element? 46th question. What is the purpose of the details and summary tags? 47th question. What is the purpose of the datetime input type in HTML? 48th question. What is the purpose of the output tag? 49th question. How can you create a responsive image in HTML? 'Then last 50th question. How can you create a clickable image in HTML?